Here's a day in my life as a theater performer in Metro Manila. Pero bago ang lahat, simulan natin yung araw sa paggising at pag-workout ko dahil ito yung routine ko kapag may shows. Una, I put on some rubber shoes, run 15 to 30 minutes sa treadmill hanggang sa pagpawisan ako kasi it really helps na magising yung katawan at boses ko given na napaka-demanding ng hinihingi ng current production ko which is Tales of the Manuvu. And now, let's head to the theater. Daladala ko itong maleta na may lamang shoes, costume, other supplies, and makeup na ginagamit ko as a performer. Hi guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Proscenium Theater and I'm heading sa dressing room namin to get settled. Kita nyo naman, ito yung mga gamit ko. May personal stuff and mga costume shoes that I use. Andito na tayo ngayon sa dressing room ng Proscenium Theater kung saan kasama ko yung lead singers na sina Joshua Cadeliña, si Kuya Greg De Leon, si Almond Bolante, Christy Lagapa, and Tony Carm Santos, ang mga lead singers ng musical na Tales of the Manuvu. Ito yung mga costume namin. Thank you so much sa Closet Couture by Norman Peña, Florida. And now, let's head to the cafeteria kung saan magdi-dinner na kami. For today's dinner, it's baked cheesy salmon, marble potatoes, and rice. Magkaanyo? Ano kaya ito? A couple of hours before the show starts, I do some vocal warm-ups para mas prepare yung boses ko na sumalang. And here, nakikita nyo na I am doing the sound check that is customary as singers and performers.
O walang hanggan sa akin sapat nang ako'y may buhay. May hanungan at ang buwan ay may araw.
Kasama rin pala namin sa show na ito ang UP Concert Chorus who are singing the parts of the ensemble and also have their own numbers.
So mga kaibigan, nandito po. Ito po ay hindi isang durian, ngunit isang biabano. Makikita po natin ang pinag-ibahan po niya sa durian ay mas matatalim ang kanyang mga spikes. And it's green. Durian is brown. Okay?
After the mic check, we do our own makeup and prepare and wear our costumes. In some shows that I did in the past, meron kaming makeup artist but inaral ko na rin kung paano mag-makeup sa sarili ko. Kasi as a performer, hindi mo masasabi kung lagi kayo may makeup artist and knowing what kind of makeup you want to do with your face can also be an advantage. At this point, we are all done with our makeup, so sinusuot ko na yung accessories and costumes na isusuot ko for the show. I share the role of Manama and First Man with Joshua Cadeliña. And for some shows, I do Manama. Doon ko sinusuot yung red na version nitong nakikita nyong damit. And for the shows na I'm doing the First Man, I'm wearing the blue. So kung nakikita nyo na it's very, very traditional and it looks very good. So nilagyan lang din namin ng kaunting twist with a modern touch to it. I also want to say that it is such an honor to be singing along with Almond, who is playing the role of Agassi, and Joshua Cadeliña, who I'm sharing the role with. They are part of an acclaimed a cappella group, which is Acapelago, na I'm sure napanood nyo na somewhere on social media.
Ikaw ba yung kausap ko?
Saturday. Ay, Saturday. Yung last Saturday.
Siyempre may konting patikim tayo. So this is a sneak preview of my solo in the musical called Ano Kaya Ito? Kung saan ipinapakita ang pag-emerge ng kauna-unahang man in the folktales of the Manuvu people.
Ano kaya ito? Ito ba ang mundo? Galing sa kung saan? Saan patungo? Ang dating tiyak ko may laman ang totoo at itong kalupaan ay
lang, hanggang dito na muna yung vlog ko. Thank you so much if you like this video. Alam ko na medyo mahaba, pero let me know if you have more suggestions or you want to see more from my work. Paalam!